Discovery Kid. This week, we're going to be building a sidecar for my bike. Discovery Bro, do you want to come on my bike whilst I'm on it? Yeah. See? So that's why we're building it. Let's go all the materials and wood we need. Let's go. These two pieces here are going to be our sides. We need to draw a template and cut it out. I've designed the front and now I'm doing this side. The back, basically. Once I've cut this one out, I'll copy it with the other side. This is bit as a dangerous tool, so I'm going to get Discovery Dad to help.
Cut this, Discovery Kid.
Okay. Woo! That's loud.
Pretty good cut.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do the back.
Close up so you can see how it goes for real. Go on. I'm almost done, right?
Right.
Done.
Now we need to...
That's what we have. Now I've got my template. I'm going to copy it for the other side. Got an exact copy. Done.
Yeah, we've got two sides.
Yay.
So you do this, cut this little area.
Also, we're going to cut this big boy. So now we're just going to cut out this thing here.
Set it round.
This is called a jigsaw, by the way. There we go.
There's one side. Okay, sweet. Right, let's do the other side.
Yeah. So we've done those pieces as you can see, and we're going to use this for the bottom and the top. I'm going to put it on my workbench and figure out this side. My guess is going to be massive.
That's it. That's it.
I've got the size now, I just need to make a mark. Now we're going to cut it here. Now we're going to make some pilot holes to screw the sides on. This is a camp sink. So this will make sure the screws won't stick out of the wood. So.
Perfect.
We've got some 13mm screws, nice colours as well. So we're going to pop them in. We're almost ready to put the sides on and screw it in, but we're going to put some glue for extra strength. Here we go.
Good. Good.
So we've got the sides on, now we're just putting this support strap here. We've got the back on, we're just going to put the front on now. So I'm going to use some glue. Got the front on, just finishing off the last three screws. So here we go, put this there. The sidecar is basically finished. All we need to do now is just paint it. So, I hope you enjoy this bit. Yeah. Go. Woohoo! The painting's all done basically. Now, just waiting for the boot to dry. Next job is to build the frame. Use one of my old bicycles as a donor bike. We're also going to get some orange and blue stripes for it. I'll show you the donor bike. We'll be using this.
I think that'll make a good sidecar wheel.
Yeah. Might be too small, you never know.
I think it'll be alright.
This one is also a bit smaller than that.
Yep.
So,
Good work, Discovery Kid.
woo!
3 days later.
The sidecar. As you see here, we put, and Daddy did the name because I can't too hard. and I'll probably burn myself. Or we have some nice strips of orange here. One of my old bikes, tyre. Put it together. Somehow.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Oh yeah! Let's do this.
Two wheels spinning, hitting the road. Discovery Kid and Discovery Bro. Sidecar's ready, we're taking flight. Chasing the sun into the night. No map needed, just the wind in our hair. Adventure's calling, we don't have a care. Through the mountains, over the sea. The world's wide open, wild and free. Riding with Discovery Kid, riding with Discovery Bro. Side by side where the wild winds blow. No destination, just the stars in our eyes. On the journey that never dies.
Well, that's it. Thanks very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Woohoo!
Desert sand,